Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sue Ellen Christopoulos Nutting, and I'm here today to talk to you about PubMed and the interlibrary loan form and some of the changes that PubMed has made. So here we are on the NYCC website. Go to Quick Links and either click on the faculty portal or the student portal. Be sure to put in your username and password and log in. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see either faculty resources or student resources. I need you to click on the library. And from there, you can click right onto LibGuides. Once you get to LibGuides, you'll notice that I have some different tabs here. We have some spotlight sites and updates, and on this tab we have tutorials. And here you will find additional videos that talk to you or tell you how to access some of the NYCC library resources. So here we are under Helpful Resources. We're going to click on PubMed. When you are an NYCC constituent or somehow affiliated with NYCC, I highly suggest that you always use the LibGuide and use this PubMed. And the biggest reason for that is when you click on this link, it's going to tell PubMed that you are an NYCC community member. So here, I'm going to show this to you. And this is what I'm talking about. So this is called authentication. So you have to log in using your portal username and password. And again, what you're doing here is you're letting PubMed know that you're an NYCC student or NYCC faculty member or somehow associated with NYCC. And what this does is it allows you access to specific articles that in journals that NYCC library has purchased for you. Okay, so here we are on the new PubMed, and we're going to do a search for Rotary just noticed I spelled that wrong. Okay, rotary cuff injuries. Okay. All right, and here you see you have 7,414 results. You can click and limit or filter things down using the limiters that they have on the left-hand side. So you can limit to clinical trials, you can limit to publications within the last 10 years, so on and so forth. Additionally, you can limit to years, and you can also limit to abstract, free full text, or full text, and so on and so forth. For today, I'm just going to leave this open because I want to show you some different things. So let's say that this number 3, this title looks interesting to you, Rehabilitation Management of Rotary Cuff Injuries in a Master Athlete. Okay, so you're going to click on that. One of the things that I highly suggest is that you actually right-click and open things either in a new tab in a new window. And the biggest reason for that is so you don't get lost. I like to tell people that research is messy, and so trying to stay as organized as possible is really, really the best. So here you have the article, and you see that we just have the abstract for you. But if you look here, you'll see where it says full text links. Now this is one of the changes that PubMed has made. Now if you click on this, and again, right click, open in a new tab, you're going to see that we actually don't have full text access to this article. So what do? Well, again, because you've opened things in new tabs, you can go back to that tab that had the information in it, and if you click on Interlibrary Loan, you're going to see right here, you're going to get this screen. It has the title of the article and all of the information, and then it says full text finder results. And what you're going to want to click on is Request Interlibrary Loan. Click on that. And one of the really cool things that PubMed has done is that it's now added all of the journal or the article information in there for you. This is something new. They didn't do this before. I think it's actually quite user-friendly. So all you really have to do is fill out your information, and if you have any additional information that you want to add in there, you can. But you can see that it already has the PMID number, it already has the journal title, journal article. Make sure that you said that you have read and understood the copyright policy, and click on I'm not a robot. And then you just submit it, and it automatically goes to our interlibrary loan coordinator, and they will go ahead and get access to this for you. If you have any questions or any problems with the new PubMed, you can always email me at snutting@nycc.edu. Okay. The other quick thing that I want to show you, I'm going to go back and I'm going to close all of these things out in PubMed, is I'm going to do another search for you. So let's do a search on, on carpal tunnel. Okay. Now, what you'll see here is that PubMed has gone and they automatically populate words that or phrases or searches that you might want to do. So I put in carpal tunnel. I haven't finished it yet, but you can see here there's carpal tunnel, there's carpal tunnel syndrome, carpal tunnel release, and so on and so forth. I want to do carpal tunnel syndrome. Search on that. And again, I'm not adding any of the filters or anything that they have available here. They have clinical trials, if you wanted to filter things down, published within the last 10 years, so on and so forth. But what I really want you to take note of is right here. See where it says review, review, review. And then here we have free article, PMC. So what the new PubMed is doing is that it's telling you what you have, what the article is. Is it a review? Is it through open access resource? Is it free? Again, it's trying to give you more information. But what I really like about the new PubMed is when you click on, let's say you've gone ahead, current approaches to carpal tunnel syndrome, open that, again in a separate tab. You look at it. Let's say you really, really, really like it. This is something that you want to share with one of your students. You can go here, free full text. Okay. And here we have the whole thing, right? We have the whole article. So let's say you read this and this is something that you want to share with your student, or let's say it's something that you as a student want to share with your instructor. You should go back to where the actual search results were. Again, here we are on PubMed, and we put in our search, and we have what are called all of the results. And if you click right here, click on share, you're going to see here it's something it's called a permalink. So if you've watched any of our videos before, I talked about how the permalink is what you're actually looking for, and that is what needs to be shared. Because if you look in the permalink, it will give the what's called the easy proxy is in there, so that the NYCC affiliate that you're sending this information to knows. They'll be prompted to go into the easy proxy. They'll be prompted to go through the whole authentication process. But you should always use the permalink that they have here available on the search results page. Okay. If you said, oh, well, I could get it here on the PubMed site where I'm actually seeing the article, let's say you can click on this. This one does. It doesn't always give you the easy proxy information. Some of them do, some of them don't. So it's just a good kind of practice to always look on the search results page and use that share permalink right there. All right. Again, if you have any problems or any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or the library. Again, my email is snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you all. Stay safe and happy searching.